This is the tools for assembling the windows. These tools, one was automatic, one was by hand. Both of them is okay, but the automatic is better. Then you can find something like this material is maybe around 3 mm to support the wheeling later. So you disassemble. This is the wheeling in the bottom place of the windows. Disassemble that first. After you disassemble, these screws maybe is a very small one. If you suppose something after, maybe you need something will be, the screw will be a little bigger. This screws will be around 19 mm is okay. Here to support the welding part. Then fix the welding again. Use this 19 mm screws. So after fixing, then you assemble again.